An airplane's coming, Melissa!
Ouch! Fucking dry ass grass in my butt.
You see those 3 lights up there? It's the airplane. I'm gonna show you how close it gets.
I can't see it because of the tree.
Oh, it's right behind the branch. See it?
I know, I can see it, but I can't see it.
I'm gonna lay down.
Hold on. Okay, now I can see it.
Woo!
Slow.
It's not slow. We're just far away.
It looks slow.
I'm videotaping this.
Duh, I already know that. Come on.
You can
I can
hear
already
it.
sort of hear it.
Yeah, me too. Here it is. Is it even gonna be that close? I hope so.
Oh my god.
What?
It's close.
Yeah, I know. Here it comes. It looks like a UFO on my camera.